Hello and welcome to this overview of construction project management with Duncan Cartledge Online. The first and perhaps the most important question, what is a project? Unlike business as usual, a project is defined as an activity that is temporary in nature with a defined start and end date in order to produce a unique product, or in the case of construction, a unique project. Next question, what is a project manager? When compared with professions such as quantity surveying or architecture, definitions of project management are varied and can be somewhat nebulous. Project management can be described as setting achievable goals and then putting in place the systems to successfully achieve these goals. Construction project management is one of the many project management variants and includes a mixture of hard technical skills as well as softer interpersonal skills. Construction project managers should be appointed as early as possible in the development cycle and are involved in every stage of the development, including the selection of consultants. Construction project managers assist the client in the successful delivery of a project. From the construction project manager's point of view, the construction process can be divided into 4 sections, as listed on this page, from pre-construction right through to building occupation. The 4 traditional constraints that influence a project manager's role are shown on this page. Added to the list is a 5th, risk. The impact of risk is discussed in a later video. The nature of construction project management is such that it is important for the project manager to have their terms of appointment agreed before work commences, as the extent of the services can vary considerably. Some of the more important terms of appointment are listed here. Other video tutorials available in the Construction Project Management Library are listed here. Other video libraries are available on taking of quantities and estimating construction work.